Now I've had the DJI Mini 4 Pro for a few weeks, and I must say the night shots are really impressive. Here I am in Gainesville, Florida, on a road called Archer, which is Gainesville's busiest road. As I pan around, you can see we're at the Tesla Supercharger getting some free electricity. My 2013 Tesla has 166,000 miles, and it's really neat to get free electricity, which is like a free tank of gas. And it's still on the original battery. So here we are flying down Archer Road, passing I75, headed towards Shands and the VA. You can see I-75 is a parking lot, and they are going to add an extra lane on I-75. Hopefully that will alleviate some of this congestion that always happens on the weekends, holidays, and just whenever I-75 feels like turning into a parking lot. Here's something interesting. On the left side of the road, you'll see a Chick-fil-A. But further down the road, you'll see another Chick-fil-A on the other side of the road. I talked to the owner, and he said that Chick-fil-A allows him to have 2 Chick-fil-A's in the same location, which is pretty unique. But Gainesville has so much volume that they justified it. here we are at the end, coming in for a landing. I like to land the drones on top of my car because sometimes I don't know when the drone comes back if the parking lot's going to be busy. You can see the gimbal automatically adjusts forward, and then I have to take manual control and put the drone on top of my car. Thanks for watching, and if you guys have any requests for drone videos, please leave them in the comments below.